Hi everyone, selamat berjumpa di Cherry Blossom Channels. Mahir berbahasa Inggris bagi pemula bagian 2. Sebelum menonton channel ini, tolong subscribe and like ya. Thank you. Oke, kita mulai lihat kalimat yang pertama. What do you do every morning? What do you do every morning? Apa yang kamu lakukan setiap pagi? I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. Saya sarapan pagi. I'm glad to be here. I'm glad to be here. Saya senang berada di sini. I haven't seen you for ages. I haven't seen you for ages. Saya sudah lama tidak bertemu kamu. What's your occupation? What's your occupation? Apa pekerjaanmu? I'm a police officer. I'm a police officer. Saya adalah polisi. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Saya tidak tahu harus berbuat apa. Please tell me what happened. Please tell me what happened. Tolong katakan padaku apa yang terjadi. How's the weather today? How's the weather today? Bagaimana cuaca hari ini? It is a sunny day. It is a sunny day. Ini hari yang cerah. Let's go swimming. Let's go swimming. Ayo pergi berenang. Let's play football. Let's play football. Ayo bermain sepak bola. The weather is terrible. The weather is terrible. Cuacanya sangat buruk. I can hear thunder. I can hear thunder. Saya bisa mendengar guntur. It is a hot day. It is a hot day. Ini hari yang panas. Tom can go outside. Tom can go outside. Tom tidak dapat pergi keluar. John is flying a kite. John is flying a kite. John sedang menerbangkan layang-layang. It's a windy day. It's a windy day. Ini hari yang berangin. What would you like to be? What would you like to be? Kamu ingin menjadi apa? I would like to be a designer. I would like to be a designer. Saya ingin menjadi desainer. We are flying to New York tomorrow. We are flying to New York tomorrow. Kita akan terbang ke New York besok. The airplane departed at 6 and landed at 8. The airplane departed at 6 and landed at 8. Pesawat berangkat pukul 6 dan mendarat pukul 8. My sister's plane will arrive at 9:30. My sister's plane will arrive at 9:30. Pesawat saudara perempuan saya akan tiba pukul 9:30. Peter is going to eat lunch at 12:30. Peter is going to eat lunch at 12:30. Peter akan makan siang jam 12:30. The doctor will come tomorrow. The doctor will come tomorrow. Dokter akan datang besok. I will go to bed at 10 p.m. I will go to bed at 10 p.m. Saya akan tidur jam 10 malam. What are you going to do this Sunday? What are you going to do this Sunday? Apa yang akan kamu lakukan minggu ini? I haven't made any plans. I haven't made any plans. Saya belum punya rencana. I'm probably going to stay at home. I'm probably going to stay at home. Saya mungkin akan tinggal di rumah. Diana didn't feel good a couple of days ago. Diana didn't feel good a couple of days ago. Diana merasa tidak enak badan beberapa hari yang lalu. She should get 8 hours of sleep every night. She should get 8 hours of sleep every night. Dia harus tidur 8 jam setiap malam. I receive a lot of messages every day. I receive a lot of messages every day. Saya menerima banyak pesan setiap hari. Jason like to write emails after school. Jason like to write emails after school. Jason suka menulis email sepulang sekolah. Have you mailed a text message yet? Have you mailed a text message yet? Sudahkah kamu mengirim pesan? Have you ever won a competition? Have you ever won a competition? Pernahkah kamu memenangkan kompetisi? My brother has won chess competition. My brother has won chess competition. Saudara laki-laki saya telah memenangkan kompetisi catur. My dad withdrew some money from the bank. My dad withdrew some money from the bank. Ayah saya menarik uang dari bank. Pay attention please. Pay attention please. Tolong perhatikan. Don't be anxious. Don't be anxious. Jangan cemas. Please listen to me. Please listen to me. Tolong dengarkan saya. Help me please. Help me please. Tolong bantu saya. This camera belongs to Brandon. This camera belongs to Brandon. Kamera ini kepunyaan Brandon. My parents is getting older. My parents is getting older. Orang tua saya semakin tua. What's the bag made of? What's the bag made of? Tas terbuat dari apa? What's the bag used for? What's the bag used for? Apa kegunaan dari tas? The bag is used for carrying shopping. The bag is used for carrying shopping. Tas digunakan untuk membawa belanjaan. What's butter made of? What's butter made of? Terbuat dari apa mentega? It's made of palm oil. It's made of palm oil. Terbuat dari kelapa sawit. I have hardly ever gone there. I have hardly ever gone there. Saya hampir tidak pernah pergi ke sana. I will see you again soon. I will see you again soon. Saya akan segera bertemu kamu lagi. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Sampai jumpa besok. Can you repeat your name? Can you repeat your name? Bisakah kamu mengulangi namamu? I can hear you. I can hear you. Saya tidak bisa mendengarmu. Don't call me at 9 because I won't be at home. Don't call me at 9 because I won't be at home. Jangan hubungi aku jam 9 karena aku tidak akan ada di rumah. Please don't touch my hand. Please don't touch my hand. Tolong jangan sentuh tangan saya. Speak louder please. Speak louder please. Tolong berbicaralah lebih keras. Don't eat too many candy bars and potato chips. Don't eat too many candy bars and potato chips. Jangan makan terlalu banyak permen dan keripik kentang. I eat too many cookies and I drink too much cola. I eat too many cookies and I drink too much cola. Saya makan terlalu banyak kue dan saya minum cola terlalu banyak. Sally is listening music in her room. Sally is listening music in her room. Sally sedang mendengarkan musik di kamarnya. The teacher is correcting papers at her desk. The teacher is correcting papers at her desk. Guru sedang mengoreksi kertas di mejanya. Roy is taking a nap on the couch. Roy is taking a nap on the couch. Roy sedang tidur siang di sofa. Do you mind if I turn the TV off? Do you mind if I turn the TV off? Apakah kamu keberatan jika saya mematikan TV? You must not tell anyone my secret. You must not tell anyone my secret. Kamu tidak boleh memberitahu siapapun rahasia saya. They are waiting for us. They are waiting for us. Mereka sedang menunggu kita. It is raining right now. It is raining right now. Sekarang sedang hujan. You should brush your teeth twice a day. You should brush your teeth twice a day. Kamu seharusnya menggosok gigi 2 kali sehari. I can afford that ring. I can afford that ring. Saya tidak mampu membeli cincin itu. It costs too much. It costs too much. Harganya terlalu mahal. I was late because the traffic was heavy. I was late because the traffic was heavy. Saya terlambat karena lalu lintasnya padat. My niece wastes a lot of time watching TV. My niece wastes a lot of time watching TV. Keponakan perempuan saya membuang banyak waktu menonton TV. Let's turn on the air conditioner. Let's turn on the air conditioner. Ayo, nyalakan AC-nya. It's disappointing when a friend forgets your birthday. It's disappointing when a friend forgets your birthday. Ini mengecewakan ketika seorang teman lupa hari ulang tahunmu. It's boring when there aren't good shows on TV. It's boring when there aren't good shows on TV. Membosankan ketika tidak ada acara yang bagus di TV. I went to bed early because I was very tired. I went to bed early because I was very tired. Saya pergi tidur lebih awal karena saya sangat lelah. Where did you learn English? Where did you learn English? Di mana kamu belajar bahasa Inggris? I learned English at university. I learned English at university. Saya belajar bahasa Inggris di universitas. Where does your father work? Where does your father work? Di mana ayahmu bekerja? He works at ABC Company. He works at ABC Company. Dia bekerja di perusahaan ABC. Have you been to the United States? Have you been to the United States? Apakah kamu pernah ke Amerika Serikat? Yes, I have. Ya, saya pernah. You look great today. You look great today. Kamu kelihatan hebat hari ini. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, terima kasih banyak. That's great. That's great. Sungguh hebat. It's great to be here. It's great to be here. Senang sekali berada di sini. I brought you something special. I brought you something special. Saya membawakanmu sesuatu yang istimewa. Really? Thank you. Really? Thank you. Sungguh? Terima kasih. How soon can you get here? How soon can you get here? Seberapa cepat kamu bisa sampai di sini? In 10 minutes. In 10 minutes. Dalam waktu 10 menit. How fast were you driving? How fast were you driving? Seberapa cepat kamu mengemudi? 50 miles an hour. 50 miles an hour. 50 mil per jam. Jack and Bill are coming over for dinner. Jack and Bill are coming over for dinner. Jack dan Bill datang untuk makan malam. Thanks for watching. See you on my next content. Bye-bye.